Hey everyone, welcome to our channel on Jagas Kitchen Vlogs, and today it's back with a new simple, tasty, and for starters recipe. And before I say that, please hit the subscribe button below, and of course hit the bell icon for more notifications. And today, let's try fish masala vada. It's very tasty. You have to try it for sure. Let's see the inside. I bet it will look very fantastic. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Look at that! Look at that fantastic stuff inside. So that's why, let's get started. Of the video, please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.